We're in Seminary Ridge with a brand new home that just hit the market with over $300,000 in upgrades. Join us today for a private tour. This is a true center hall colonial with hardwood floors throughout the main level, and you'll notice the dining room and great room are separated by the central staircase. Directly off the foyer, you'll enter into the great room. Over 27 by 13, this is the space where you will entertain. Not only that, notice all of the windows where natural light will stream through. Everyone wants truly an open concept, but most of the homes of this era and this location, they don't have it. A unique thing that the owner did was they actually opened up all of this. For those that know this model, understand that their bathroom used to be here, and that bathroom would actually separate the kitchen from the entertaining area. Take a look at how everything has been opened. Not only opened up, they went on and redid everything, the entire kitchen with a butler's pantry and kitchen with custom cabinetry, undermount lighting. Look at this granite countertops, underlaid sink, stainless steel appliances. And as we go into the mudroom, you'll see that they moved the bathroom over here. So it truly has that open concept and feel. Welcome to your new primary suite. The owner has put over $35,000 into just this suite. We want to show you some unique things that you'll find in only this home. And this is a walk-in closet that buyers dream about. It truly is a walk-in closet with full customized design. And I want to show you this because this is rare with functionality and design. They even have the washer and dryer upstairs on the upper level and part of the primary suite. This ensuite has a pocket door for privacy, dual vanity, custom jetted tub, and even a glass surround shower. This has everything you want for truly that spa-like setting. In addition, on the upper level, you have 3 bedrooms that share a fully upgraded and remodeled bathroom with dual vanity and custom tile. Over $100,000 has been put into this basement. When the owners bought it, actually it was unfinished. They finished out everything with a walkout level basement. Next to the pool room and your walkout to the lower level, you have this custom bar. Not only that, you have a full wet bar, wine refrigerator, a 2-tap for your Kegerator. This is the perfect area for entertaining. As you leave the game room and the custom wet bar, you'll enter into this area. This basement really has that open concept feel. You'll notice the expansive area for additional entertaining. They put in a full bathroom, and take a look at this. I love the unique setting and backdrop for your additional bedroom on the lower level. This extra bedroom can be used as an ideal in-law suite. Welcome to your private oasis. Over $85,000 has been put into this unique backyard where you not only have a spacious deck, you have 2 different areas for entertaining, from the concrete patio here off of the lower level and an additional space here. The unique thing is you can get access to both of them from inside. And I want to show you this. Over $60,000 went into a unique issue that most homeowners have here in Alexandria, which is, I don't have a backyard. These owners put in custom landscaping to create this flat backyard, one you won't find with another property. And stay tuned, I want to show you another secret that you'll never see from the front yard. Welcome to the ultimate fun zone. This is what every kid dreams about. Your own area, away from everything else, where you can truly live out every dream that you have. This does convey with your new home. Thank you for joining us on a tour of this stunning home. Reach out today to the Nellis Group to book your own private tour.